This video is all about finding the value of x and the area of a triangle if sine theta is equal to 2 root 6 divided by 7. Now, we are given the sides. We're given the sides in x, x plus 1, and x plus 2 different. So now let's begin. Now we have, let's say, let me draw the triangle here. We have a triangle. Let me see. We have a triangle. Let's say A, B, C. So here is C. Here is what? Here is A. Here is B. Now, C is equal to x. B is equal to x plus 2. Then A is equal to x plus 1. And here is equal to theta. And we are given that sine theta is equal to 2 root 6 divided by 7. So now we should find x. Now, for us to find x, let's look for cos theta. Since we have sine theta, let's look for cos theta and make use of the sine rule. So, the cosine rule. So for us to find theta, we know that cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to, if you move this sine square theta to this other side, you have 1 minus sine square theta. So that means cos theta is equal to the square root of 1 minus sine square theta. So this is equal to 1 minus, so sine theta is 2 root 6 divided by 7. So all squared, the square root. So now you now have 1 minus, if you square this, you have 2 square root of 6 square all over 7 square, all square root. So now you have 1 minus, this will be 4 times, this will be 6 divided by 49, all square roots. So now we now have 1 minus 24 divided by 49. So this will give us 49 minus 24 divided by 49 square root. So 49 minus 24 will give us, so now cos theta will now be the square root of 25 all over 49, which will give us what? 5 all over 7. So to give us 5 all over 7. So we have gotten 5 all over 7. Now using the cosine rule, now you see the smallest size is the side that is opposite to this angle theta. So you have now, you will now have, that side which is c square will be equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Now, if you have something like this, you have, here is a, b, c. So here is c, here is a, here is b. So, and here is theta. So that is when this is the formula. Now, for us to find cos theta will now be, now if you move this expression to this other side, you have c square plus 2ab cos theta equal to a square plus b square. Now, if you move this one to this other side, you have 2ab cos theta equal to a square plus b square minus c square. So cos theta will be equal to a square plus b square minus c square divided by what? 2ab. Now, we know that c is equal to x, a is equal to x plus 1, b is equal to x plus 2. So now to substitute it here, we will now have cos theta to be equal to a plus 1 square plus x plus 2 square minus x square divided by 2 times x plus 1 times x plus 2. So, and this expression is equal to cos, and cos equal to cos theta, and cos theta is the same thing as 5 all over what? 7. So that means we now have x plus 1 all squared plus x plus 2 all squared minus x squared divided by 2 times x plus 1 times x plus 2 equal to what? 5 over what? 7. Now, if you look at this expression here now, this one, okay, let me just use another color. Let me use red. This expression here is the same thing as saying a square minus b square equal to a minus b all squared times a plus b. It's the same thing. So now we're going to express that like that. So now let me just change the color of this to white. Now we're going to express this value here now in terms of this. Now we now have, so that means x plus 1 all squared plus the whole of this now will now be x plus 2 minus x, bracket open bracket close bracket open, x plus 2 plus x divided by 2 into x plus 1 x plus 2 equal to what? 5 over 7. Now you see, this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b, so the same thing, a b, see minus and plus, so that is the minus and the plus. So now we're going to write this again as x plus 1 all squared plus bracket open. Now this x will cancel out this x, you have 2. Now x plus x, bringing the like terms together here, x plus x, you have 2x plus 2 divided by 2 into x plus 1 bracket open x plus 2 equal to what? 5 over 7. Now if you look at this critically again, you see there's a common factor here, which is 2. So you factor out 2 now, use it to multiply this, is 4. So you have x plus 1 all squared plus, now if you factor out that 2, okay, let me just put 2 times 2 into, if I remove the 2 from here, use 2 to divide this, you have x plus, if I use 2 to divide this 2 here, we have 1 divide by 2 into x plus 1 x plus 2 equal to what? 5 over 7. Now so this 2 times 2 will give you 4. So we now have x plus 1 square plus 4 into x plus 1 divided by 2 into x plus 1 times x plus 2 equal to what? 5 all over 7. So now if you look at this, x plus 1 is common in both of this information. So now what we're going to do is say, we factor the x plus 1 out. We say x plus 1. Now we'll now put a bracket. You now have x plus 1 remaining here. Now plus 4 divided by 2 into x plus 1 x plus 2 equal to what? 5 all over 7. Now we can just open up this bracket. You now have x plus 1 times, now you have x plus 1 plus 4 divided by 2 into x plus 1, x plus 2 equal to 5 whole over 7. So this will now give us x plus 1, x plus 5 divided by 2 times x plus 1 times x plus 2 equal to what? 5 all over 7. This will cancel out this. You have x plus 5 all over 2 times x plus 2 equal to 5 all over 7. So if we cross multiply, this 7 multiply this 2 times x plus 2 multiply 5. So now you have, what we now have is 2 into x plus 2 times 5 equal to 7 times x plus 5. So now 2 times 5, 10. 10 times x is 10x plus 2 times 5, 10. 10 times 2 is 20. So you now have this one. 7 times x is 7x plus 7 times 5 is 35. So now if we move this to this other side, then move this one to this other side, we now have 10x minus 7x equal to what? 35 minus 20. So this will give us 10x minus 7x will give us 3x equal to what? 15. So 3x is equal to what? 15. So divide both sides by 3. You have 3 will cancel out here. You have x is equal to what? 5. So that is the value. Now let's go back. We have gotten our x. Now that means you have an expression like this. Here is x. Here is what? X plus 2. Here is x plus 1. Now, and x is equal to what? 5. That means here is equal to what? 5. Now, for x plus 1 is equal to 6. So here is equal to 6. And this is equal to x plus 2 is equal to what? 7. Here is 7. So we have 5, 6, 7. So now that means for us to get the area of a triangle, we're going to use Hero's formula, which is x into x minus a times x minus b times x minus c all squared. So this, now what is our x? Our x is a plus b plus c divided by 2. And a is what? We have a to be 6 plus 5 plus 7 divided by 2. So this will give us what? 6 plus 5, 11 plus, that is 18 divided by 2 is 9. So we got 9 here. So now that means the area of the triangle will now be the square root of 9 times 9 minus, let's say here is a, b, and c. 9 minus a is 6 times 9 minus b is 7 times 9 minus what? 5. So we have 9 times 3 times 2 times 4. So this is 8. So 9 times 8 will give us 72. 72 times 3, you have 6. You have 6, 21. So you have 216. So that means, this times this will give us what? 36 times 6. So 36 is still, there is 9 times 4 is 36. 3 times 2 is 6. So the answer, the area is now 6 root 6 centimeter square. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day.